Welcome, YouTubers. I hope that everyone is staying safe out there. As we've entered this time of e-learning, I've received a number of questions about how teachers can record media directly within Canvas and how they can have students record media as well. I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you that operation. You can see that I'm currently in a brand new page and I have the new Rich Content Editor enabled. This process will work from any place where you can access the Rich Content Editor. That includes announcements, pages, quizzes, or assignments. Also, please be aware, though I'm starting with a new page, you can go back and edit any of those 4 operations and complete the same process and you will get the same result. Once you have accessed the place where you would like to insert the video, you need to locate the record and upload media option. It has a note and a video icon. I'm going to select the down arrow there, and then you will want to select upload or record media. From there, you will want to select the record tab and your webcam should launch. Hello everyone out there. And you will then see the blue bar, or hopefully we'll see the blue bar going across the screen right here. If you don't see that, chances are you need to experiment with the microphone and the webcam on your particular device. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit different for everyone. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Canvas will count down from 3, and you can start recording your video. Welcome, students. Happy March 17th, and then you can click Finish. And you have then 3 options. You can preview the video, you can save it so it will be embedded in your course, or you can start over. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and that video will be embedded in my course. It will take just a moment to embed. And just a reminder of a couple of things. Number 1, you have to be online to complete this operation. And number 2, you will want to click save or save and publish, as the recording will not be saved until you do one of those 2 operations. With the new Rich Content Editor, everything should be auto-saved for at least 1 hour, but I would encourage you to save as soon as you record. Students can complete the same process. So if you give students a prompt in a discussion, or they have to create a page, a text entry as an assignment back to you, not a page. So if students have to create a text entry back to you, they will have the Rich Content Editor and they will be able to record media as well. Obviously, they may have to experiment with their webcam options as well, but this is an option for you to communicate with your students via a video resource. If you have any questions, please let me know.